Turning the engine 8J596 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken, very nice, you can see. And from this side everything's good, didn't see any damages. On top everything's good. From this side also good, no problem. And on top here the computer box socket here also good, no damage, no broken. Down here the starter also good, no problem, very nice, very good. Same as well the alternator here, you can see all the sockets still good condition. And down here the oil sump, the gearbox also good, no problem, no broken, very nice, very good. And the engine is turning good.